Welcome to Masterspec's on-demand training. In this video, we will be taking you through the Masterspec interface. Feel free at any time to skip ahead and view the timestamp sections you require. When you first log into Masterspec, you will arrive at the dashboard. The dashboard will provide you with access to creating a new specification, accessing existing projects, and industry news. Selecting Search Projects will take you to the project page where you can access all active projects and the specifications they contain. Feel free to view the projects in different formats or use the search functionality to search by keyword or number and filters. Once you enter the project specification, you should see 4 distinct columns in the workspace. If you do not see these panels, head over to your browser functionality and resize the page to 100%. If your screen is small, you may prefer to use the toggle tabs on the side of the web page of your screen. This will expand the Index panel or the My Products panel. Let's take a look at the workspace, working from left to right. First, you have an Index or Workflow area. Here, you can see all the work sections that are currently loaded into this specification. The middle workspace holds the project and specification information. This includes the status of the project and if there are any work section support requests from manufacturers that require your action. At the top are a range of functions to manage the project. This includes Contract Appendix, which allows you to efficiently attach contract-specific documentation such as fire and engineer reports. Beside this is MDocs. MDocs allows you to have instant access to a library of current documentation supplied to you by the manufacturer. The panel to the right of this, you will see a list of the Masterspec libraries under the tab Masterspec Systems. The ones highlighted in orange are the libraries your practice is subscribed to. The Office Master tab holds all pre-prepared specifications created by your practice. The final tab, Office Projects, allows you to find past work sections from previous projects to save you valuable time. The last panel to the right is My Products, our national product database. This allows you to search through product information that is relevant to the current selection sections as it populates automatically based on your selections. Once your specification is complete, selecting Export will provide you with a full bookmarked specification document including the title pages, appendix, and a QR code specific to your project that is trackable.